Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Camille and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Camille. I just booked my reception venue for my upcoming wedding. The venue includes tables and chairs, but the tables must have an umbrella attachment during the summer wedding. There is my dilemma. What idea can you help me come up with centerpieces for all the tables with the umbrellas? Can you please help me? I am not only going to help you, Camille, I'm going to show you how to create centerpieces that are perfect for umbrella tables. We're going to combine these two inspiration idea pictures that you sent us, and we're going to create the most beautiful rose gold umbrella table wedding centerpiece solution. We're all about savings and solution here at Miss Planet. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Who would have thought that a 6-inch styrofoam wreath would be the solution to our umbrella table dilemma? But it is. Now, I would not go smaller than a 6-inch styrofoam wreath because you want to make sure you have plenty of clearance for that umbrella table pole to go right through the center. It's very simple. We're going to go ahead and start building our wreath with several of these wonderful greenery picks. Now, any greenery pick will do. Just pick one that you like and go with it. I sometimes pull some of the different pieces out to use separately, but that's really up to you. So in this case, I pulled some of the eucalyptus out to use separately, and then I added additional eucalyptus stems. One of the ways that we're able to keep this cost price under $30 for the centerpiece is using Dollar Tree flowers. Now, these are specific ones. These are the velvety cream ones. The velvety cream ones, they usually come out with velvety red ones and sometimes velvety pink ones. They are perfect. In addition, you can find all different shades of pink or blush roses also. Different shades and different sizes. So make sure you check out the links in the description and check out those Dollar Tree bargains. So now that our wreath is complete, I wanted you to take a look at it. So our hole is completely clear. So when you go to set up for your venue, you're going to sit this at the center, right over the hole that they're going to place the umbrella through. Then they will simply place the umbrella through it and you will see a seamless connection between your umbrella table and the beautiful centerpiece. Make sure you're there before they attach the umbrellas. All right, that's our tip. So now you have options. You could stop your decoration right here with this beautiful rose gold wreath solution, or you can add to it. So if you stop here, your wreath is going to be under $20. Under $20 just for the wreath. For those of you who don't have umbrella tables to deal with, simply set a pillar candle from the Dollar Tree right in the center also. So this centerpiece is super versatile. Now, our bride wants to add a touch of gold and a touch of that rustic charm with the centerpiece. So we're going to do that very simply by picking two vases from the Dollar Tree. One is a 4-inch vase and the other is a 7 1/4 inch vase. I simply took some very simple gold tape and I'm adding that touch of gold with the tape. Now, you can choose to paint gold on there. You can choose to put a little glitter gold on there. Whatever you decide. Remember, we give you the plan. You take it and run with it. And now I'm going to show you how to make a simple table number setting. So we just took these wood gold coasters, and this one is right at about between 3 and 4 inches. And I'm going to attach some of those same petite roses onto it, and I'm going to show you how to create an all wood base. It's really simple. We're going to take some of those 2-inch coasters and we're going to attach it to the back of our table number, and it is the perfect finishing touch for our centerpiece solution. Sometimes 1 2-inch coaster is enough to stabilize our table number, but other times you may have to put 2 side by side to make sure that the table number is fully stabilized. So let's put these extra options all together so you can see what they look like. This is adding that touch of gold, little touch of rustic with our beautiful centerpiece solution. So there's your options. Let's see what it looks like all together now. Well, Camille, what do you think? Absolutely stunning. Who would have thought how easy it is to find a solution to the umbrella table? Well, not only that, you can also use this centerpiece as just a regular wreath centerpiece at any wedding or event. It's super, super versatile and very cost effective. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down in the corner and you will get a special note just from us the moment the videos are live. You can also ask us a question right down there in the comment section, or just send us some words of encouragement. They go so far in helping us to be more and more excellent every single week. And we so appreciate you taking the time to comment and to encourage us. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. It's very simple. Just go down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping experience. It's super simple and very, very useful. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our MissPlanIt shop. We have some fantastic downloadable planning guides for the wedding, for your bride, as well as for your maid of honor, and just so many different other tools we have for you to help you organize your DIY wedding or event of your dreams. So check it out. If you haven't already started hanging out with me, come on over and hang out with me at MissPlanItHome.com. You can find us on our website, MissPlanIt.com, and it's where I'm doing projects for my own personal home as well as the home of my family and friends. It's absolutely free, so if you'd like to hang out some more, head on over to MissPlanIt Home. We had such an absolute blast hanging out with you. Want to remind you the links to all the supplies as well as the project costs are always in the description below. We have them there for you for your use so that you don't have to wonder where we got things from or how we put things together. Don't forget you can also get the written as well as picture instructions on our website, MissPlanIt.com. If you haven't checked out our website, what are you waiting for? There's so many things on our website for you. I can't even list them all. For one, our MissPlanIt Home channel is on our website, as well as our resource library, which is free downloadable tips and solutions for bases and just some of everything. So if you haven't checked out our website, what are you waiting on? Head on over to MissPlanIt.com and check out all the wonderful blog posts, resource libraries, and MissPlanIt Home channel. It was such a blast hanging out with you. We so appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us because we know you have so many options on YouTube. I want to remind you that we have a wonderful announcement coming up. We have launched our MissPlanIt Flower Shop on Amazon, so you have to check it out. I'm so excited. It's our own products. We have worked with our manufacturer to develop them. It's been a long time coming, so I cannot wait for you to get the product and tell us what you think. So thank you so much for helping us make that even possible. Well, guys, I just want to say thank you again for all your support, and we are so appreciative of you. And until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, Count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.